darts together. We have not done this in Liberty City yet.
All right, man. Let's play darts. I pick you up in next hour.
Great, Nico. See you in a while.
Everything has gone to shit. What the hell did we go to war with them for in the first place?
Now, I'll tell you why. We did it for freedom and for valuable munitions contracts.
They're sick degenerate folks known as furries. They dress up in their cute little butter suits with holes cut in them so their penises will stick out and they pound each other's hinders, making weird-ass animal noises.
Now, do you hear what public television has brought to America? Do you hear what's...
Nico, good to see you. We need to find a vehicle.
And hit the phone lines. You're the people that make the show. All I do is... Spend it on Facebook.
Nico, you do not know how great it is to have you here with me. Before you arrived in Liberty City, things were terrible.
I still remember the emails you sent me, cousin. You should have told me how bad things were in this country before I got here.
Okay, things aren't easy for us here, but together, we are doing all right. America is an opportunity for a new beginning. You were in need of one.
There's no such thing as a new beginning, Roman. With every day we live, we pick up new baggage. Baggage that we must carry with us for the rest of our lives. There's no dropping it and pretending we are fresh and clean just because we get off a boat in a new place.
Stop being so dramatic, Nico. Time is a healer. We live and we forget the past. Nothing helps a man forget, like ripe, round American titties. You have to move on from the things that happened to you and think about all the opportunities in this country. Chances to make lots of money, chances to get college girls into bed.
Chance de Postanesh, Sorenya.
I heard that. I haven't forgotten our language completely.
It's very clear. Drinking is a sin. Laying is a sin. Fisting? That's a mortal sin. And the trannies, well, don't even get me started on the trannies. It's science run amok, okay? It's very confusing. I'm looking at a woman, I'm talking to a woman, I see the woman's penis, now I'm confused. I don't know what's going on. The government is turning into a confused transgender prostitute. I mean, it really is. You know, they don't know who to serve. You feel terrible afterwards. You have an overwhelming feeling that everything in your life is...
Have you no respect for your elders? Oh! Oh!
My bad.
Don't you try and grope me! Stay the fuck away from me!
Get ready to watch a master at work. I am to darts what Perseus is to clothing. Nice one, Nico. That's my cousin, ladies and gentlemen. You always were good at aiming arrows, Nico. Nice one. Unlucky.
That's it. You've won.
Nico, you had lust before we even got here. Darts is about having the mental edge. It's time to go back home. Will you take me? Look out!
Very happy. You know, she works out a couple times a day with her trainer, and she's getting very good at tennis. Okay, now we have our faith. That's where our orgasms come from. That's where we get off from praying. All right? This life is meant to be shit so that the next one is good. You gotta have your valleys to appreciate the peaks. You know, it's like an orgy with virgins. You know, I mean, it sounds like a good idea. Then you get in there and you're kind of like, no, don't put that there. Put that, you know, anyway, you get my point. You know, I'm a man who believes in the American dream. I really do. And that dream is, I'm in charge, and if you don't like what I'm saying, then I'm gonna make a wisecrack and drop a bomb.
Come on, man!
That's it. That for me is the American dream. Okay, and then maybe get a country artist to sing a song about it, and then have me walk around in slow motion. That's the fully realized dream. You know, then you can maybe make a movie about me doing that, and we can do action figurines, and then myself making a movie about blowing the shit out of you while I make a wisecrack. Yeah, I mean, the idea, the dream is endless, truly, and that's the beauty of Americans. I'm allowed to dream. That's the dream. Don't complain to me that you come over here and that all you get are
Get out of the way, come on.
Okay? Don't complain to me about that. Just pick up my shit and walk out of the room. Don't stand in here awkwardly. Don't try to make eye contact with me. Okay? Don't ask about the pictures of my kids. Okay? America, we don't want to pick up our trash. Okay? We don't want to do that, and we don't want to sweat. All right? Now we'll be right here in the air conditioning, watching the
See you
news.
later, NB. Give me a call, yes?
Who are trying to break into our houses, and trust me, you come into my house, buddy, you know, there's gonna be you're gonna be